Hi, I'm Mrs. Moravec. You might know me from places like Lakeland Ridge and math class and art class. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thumbprint reindeer on our ball. First, you need to start with just a little dollop of red and a little dollop of brown. Now I have a darker ornament, so I used a lighter brown, but if you have a lighter ornament, you can also use a darker brown like this. Next, you're going to take your thumb and put it into the paint and get a good coverage there, and maybe take a little bit off to give yourself a thumbprint look. Now it's all flat almost. Then I'm going to put my thumbprint directly in the middle of my ball somewhere so that you can pick your side, but so you can see it nicely, and push fairly firmly. Now you can play with this and finish off and make it more of a round thumbprint than what I had to begin with. And so you like how the style looks. Then you're going to need to wipe your thumb off so that you're able to finish your ornament. We're then going to take our Sharpie and we're going to draw antlers. And antlers. Lastly, we're going to have to let our ball dry a little bit if you've used a lot of paint, or you can go back through and sort of spread your paint out so that it ends nicer, but still looks like a thumbprint at the end. That looks a little better. So once your paint is dry, we can draw some eyes on there, and you get to kind of have fun with this part. I like to draw googly eyes that don't really look perfect. And you're gonna have to fill in a bit with your Sharpie to make sure you get good coverage. There's his eyes. Once you're done that part, you can grab this little stick, dip it into your red paint, get a good little dollop on the outside, and then you get to stick your nose wherever you want Rudolph's nose to be. So if I wanted mine to be out here or in here, but make sure it'll show up depending on what color of ornament you've picked. And you can cover it a couple times if you want it to be a bigger nose. And now you have your reindeer finished. Lastly, if you wanted to draw a little happy face, you could, or you could leave it like this. And make sure you put your initials always at the bottom, as every good artist signs their work. Thanks for joining us. Now you have a beautiful ornament. You can hang it up on your tree. Good job.